Now I'm supposed to record another video about going to a friend's wedding and crocheting my wedding dress. I mean, wedding guest dress, because I'm already married, so I cannot do that anymore. Here's the plan for the wedding guest dress. Remember this project from the previous video? I'm gonna completely change it and turn it into a 1920s flapper-ish, Art Deco-ish dress. I use this part of the top with the zigzags and basically just continue it and turn it into a whole dress. But the thing is, what's gonna happen is I'm gonna switch between the different swatches, what I did for my scarf, because they're all with the same stitch and they work really nice together. So I want to create this different rhythm, these different sections on the dress that, let's say on the top I start with this more strong contrasts with the black and white stripes, that the stripes are thicker, and yeah, create zigzags with this one. And then I can blend into, let's say, this one, where I still have the stronger lines, but then between I have this more kind of like not gradient, but yeah, you can see that here the black and white, they're like really strongly separated and there's a lot of contrast, and then here they blend in more together because they have this a bit more checkered look. And then in the next section, then it could go into maybe this one, where you can't even see the stripes anymore. Instead, it's all this houndstooth pattern or checkered, or I don't know, like a more fuzzy pattern, so that from the distance it looks actually more gray because they're so tiny, the little pixels next to each other. Yeah, so imagine you have a dress that goes like from this into this into this. I hope this is visible somehow. But yeah, I put a drawing here so you can see better. Yeah, and then some other things will happen on it as well. Maybe I will add on the bottom like a zigzag, or I will make it, turn it into a handkerchief hem, like on these really nice 20s dresses. And it will look really nice with the rest of the zigzags on the shirt, on the top part. Since I only have a month to do this, I really have to be intentional about how I'm going to use my time, and that I don't overcomplicate things, because I actually have a lot of other ideas for, ooh, this dress would be really cool, this stitch, this idea, this, but they're all of them are like more experimental, and I don't have now the time to do it, because then I want the projects that I can just do. Like if I start it and then I come up with the sections and the patterns, then I just do it like a machine, and I can do it without much thinking, and I can't really mess it up. Or if I mess up one stitch here and there, like who cares, it's not that visible. Like with some other projects, then I really have to, like for example, if I make color work, then I really have to follow this grid and pay attention all the time that what I'm doing and so on. But yeah, with this one I can kind of zone off and do it and make progress, like even when I don't have much time. So if I'm waiting in a, I don't know, doctor's appointment or something, and even if it's just 10 minutes, I can still get, I don't know, one row done or half a row done. So things like that. So that's why I thought this dress would be a perfect project. That okay, I already kind of tested it. I tested the stitch, I have the colors, I know how it behaves, I know the drape and so on. I have like really big swatches, right? And many of them. And like you saw, I could just do this, so I can kind of sketch with it and decide, oh no, I want this here, not here, things like that. This month I will focus on this wedding guest dress, and I don't think anything else fits in really, unless something small or impulsive, like I a lot of times do. But yeah, big and planned projects, only the wedding guest dress. And I already have it planned, so I just have to start doing it, and I will update you. Wedding guest dress so far, I love it. It's turned out so cool. Turned out so much better than I thought. I didn't think it would be bad, but I didn't expect it to be so good. Like it's gorgeous. I'm so proud of it. Yeah, it's like this in the back. Then I would have the straps, I have to attach them and so on, so this doesn't like slide down, and it will be longer. It will be a dress. I absolutely hated working on the skirt part because it has increases every row, so every time I finish the row, then I thought, oh fuck, the next one is gonna be even longer, I cannot. And it's actually not that wide, but it's more than my patience. Like I never make things that are continuously increasing for a reason. But yeah, this is like a mini dress. It covers enough, it's not that mini, but it was really testing my patience in this. in this bottom section. In the last 10 rows I was like, I'm just gonna stretch it, I don't, but no, I did it because then it's mirroring, the top and the bottom are matching, and you know, the pattern works out. And here's one of the scarves, and look, it's pretty cool how they're matching. And so I might wear the scarf and the dress together for the wedding. And I'm gonna show the pictures in the July video, because the wedding is in the middle of July, and I wanna show nice pictures of me wearing this. I don't want to show it in the sheet setup, so sorry about the anticlimactic ending, but bye!